How to BUI $IP Story Token Crypto Coin. Step 1. Prepare your wallet. The first step is to create or set up a wallet that supports ERC-20 or BEP-20 tokens, depending on the blockchain that the $IP token is on. Recommended wallets. MetaMask, a popular wallet for cryptocurrencies, supporting a wide range of tokens. Trust Wallet, a mobile wallet that supports multiple blockchains. OKX Wallet, another wallet that supports the Story Protocol token. Make sure your wallet is set up and ready to use before proceeding. Step 2. Fund your wallet. To purchase the $IP token, you'll need to fund your wallet with a cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, depending on which blockchain the $IP token is on. How to fund your wallet. Buy Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin. BNB. You can buy ETH or BNB from popular exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or OKX. Transfer ETH or BNB to your wallet. After purchasing, transfer the cryptocurrency to your MetaMask or other wallet. Ensure your wallet is properly connected to the exchange. Step 3. Connect to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Once your wallet is funded, the next step is to connect it to a decentralized exchange, DEX, that lists the $IP token. Popular decentralized exchanges include Uniswap for Ethereum-based tokens and PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain-based tokens. How to connect to a DEX. Go to a DEX like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Choose the appropriate DEX for the blockchain the $IP token is listed on. Connect your wallet. On the DEX platform, there will be an option to connect your wallet, e.g., MetaMask. Follow the prompts to connect. Step 4. Locate the $IP token. On the DEX, you'll need to find the $IP token. It's crucial to use the correct contract address to ensure you're purchasing the right token. How to locate the $IP token. Use the token's contract address. Search for the $IP token using its contract address. This address can usually be found on official websites or token listings. Verify the token. Double-check that the token you're about to purchase is indeed the $IP token from the Story Protocol to avoid scams. Step 5. Set transaction parameters. Before confirming the transaction, you may need to adjust the slippage tolerance and gas fees. Slippage tolerance ensures that your transaction will go through even if there is a slight price change between the time you submit your order and when it gets executed. How to set transaction parameters. Slippage tolerance. Set the slippage tolerance, usually between 0.5% to 1%, to make sure your transaction isn't rejected due to small price fluctuations. Gas fees. If using Ethereum, gas fees can fluctuate based on network congestion. Ensure you have enough ETH to cover the transaction fees. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. Once everything is set up, you can go ahead and purchase the $IP token. How to confirm the transaction. Check the transaction details. Review the amount of $IP tokens you're buying, the price, and the gas fees. Confirm the swap. Click Confirm to execute the transaction. Wait for blockchain confirmation. After confirmation, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. You can track its status using a block explorer, like Etherscan for Ethereum. Step 7. Check your wallet. After the transaction is processed, the $IP tokens will be transferred to your wallet. You can check your wallet to verify that the tokens are there. How to check your wallet. Open your wallet. Use MetaMask or your chosen wallet to check the balance. Ensure the token is listed. If you don't see the token, you may need to manually add the $IP token by using its contract address in your wallet. Final thoughts. Make sure to do thorough research before purchasing any cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and come with risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Always verify token details and transaction information to avoid scams or mistakes. Following this guide should take you around 30 minutes. Let me know if you need more information or specific details about any of the steps.